Dear friends, gather around as I regale you with a tale of cleanliness, ingenuity, and the invention of a modern-day miracle, hand sanitizer. Just like any good story, our journey begins with a problem that needed solving. Picture this. It's the late 19th century, and the world is bustling with new inventions and scientific discoveries. But there's a tiny, invisible menace that has everyone's hands tied: germs. People were falling ill left and right, and nobody had a clue how to combat these pesky critters that lurked in every nook and cranny. Enter a man by the name of Joseph Lister. No, not the famous English surgeon, but a lesser-known American dentist with a big idea. You see, Joseph Lister was plagued by the same problem that had the rest of society in a grip: germs in his operating room. His solution? Carbolic acid, a powerful disinfectant. Now, while carbolic acid was a game changer in the medical world, it wasn't exactly user-friendly for everyday folks. It was harsh, smelly, and could even cause skin irritation. So, the quest for a more practical germ-killing solution continued. Fast forward a few decades to the early 20th century, and we find ourselves in the midst of a world war. Soldiers were fighting valiantly on the front lines, but another battle was being waged behind the scenes, a battle against infections. In this wartime era, a mother's love and a dash of creativity converged to give birth to our modern hand sanitizer. Legend has it that a nurse named Lupe Hernandez, stationed in California, was distressed by the frequent infections plaguing the wounded soldiers she cared for. She dreamt of a solution that was gentle on the skin yet deadly to germs. And so, in her makeshift laboratory, probably her kitchen, Lupe concocted a formula that combined alcohol, glycerin, and some fragrant oils. Voila! Hand sanitizer was born. Lupe's magical elixir quickly gained popularity among the nurses and soldiers. It was not only effective, but also had the added bonus of smelling like a garden in full bloom. Soon enough, word of this wonder worker spread like wildfire, and people began to realize its potential beyond the battlefield. In the post-war era, the demand for hand sanitizer grew steadily, and it found its way into homes, hospitals, and schools. The original formula evolved, with scientists and inventors continuously improving upon it. Over time, it became more refined, less sticky, and even more pleasant smelling. But our story doesn't end here, my dear friends. The hand sanitizer we know and love today took another giant leap forward in the 21st century. With a rise in awareness about hygiene and the relentless pursuit of convenience, companies began producing hand sanitizers in various forms: gels, sprays, wipes, and more. Now, you can have your hand sanitizer in your pocket, purse, or car, always within arm's reach. So there you have it, the incredible journey of hand sanitizer, a simple invention born out of necessity, nurtured by innovation, and embraced by a world that yearned for clean, germ-free hands. The next time you squirt that fragrant gel onto your palms, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable history behind this unassuming bottle. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for cleanliness in an ever-evolving world. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.